Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be looking at the brilliant uncirculated edition of the first of two Paddington Bear 50p coins that are coming out this year. So, by here you can see it's in the Royal Mint hangbag, the classic hangbag from the Royal Mint. You can't actually pre-order the second coin just yet, but over at Westminster collection, you can pre-order the one that comes on the change checker blue card for the second edition of this one. On both websites, you can actually pre-order the silver proofs, and on the Royal Mint website, you can pre-order the gold proof if you've got that much money to spend. But like I said, let's have a look at the brilliant uncirculated from the Royal Mint first. So there we go, that is the front of the packaging. So it's the Paddington at the Station 2018 50p brilliant uncirculated coin. And here is the back of the packaging, which we'll have a look at once I do the usual thing and open up my packaging, show you everything that you get inside so that you never have to open yours, so you can see exactly what is on all of the documents. So there we go. Again, here is the front of the packaging, and by here the back. So we'll just have a look and have a zoom in on this part by here, and feel free to pause by here if you want to read this at your own pace. But for now, let's get into this. So there we go. Just going to do my normal thing here where I just scan along, but you can pause it if you want to read it at your own pace. I already mentioned this in the silverproof video. I'm a real big fan of the vibrant colours. I think the yellow is beautiful. Not sure what the second coin's packaging is going to look like. If it's going to be yellow also, or if they're going to choose another strong colour. But yeah, I think it looks great. And back round to the back. And back to the front. So let's just have a quick look now at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8.00 grams, the diameter is 27.30mm. The quality is brilliant uncirculated, obverse designer Jody Clark, reverse designer David Napton. And there we go, just to show off the back and the front again. And now we'll have a look at the coin itself. So there we go, this here is the reverse of the coin. Just try and get that well enough in the light there. But yeah, not as great a detail finish on the bear as there is on the silverproof. Go and check out that video if you haven't already. But still, I love the design of this coin. Now let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. There we go, nice and shiny. 2018 with Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen right there. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Have you bought the brilliant uncirculated? Are you going to collect both of those and also the Westminster collection versions? And let me know also, are you getting the silver proofs? Be quite interesting to see how well those sell. But yeah, leave that comment below because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.